buttery. My finger right in the jaws here. Got me good. Too old? You said you're getting too old? What, are you crazy? Getting too old. He's been in the trade for like 2 years. Probably line up.
Talking to guys in the 60s, he's still doing plumbing.
That should do it. We just gotta trim the van well. Oh, I need a male adapter too.
I grab you one.
Well, the best bet is probably let's hook this gas up because that's going to determine where everything else lays out. We'll hook the gas up, and then we can shimmy it from there. So I need a male adapter. I got the 90s already. I need a little copper.
You got me on film? You got me on the tube right now?
Yeah.
Oh. That should be longer, but
I'm gonna slide this over just a hair somewhere. There's not much room in here, Mike.
there's not.
Not too bad.
Okay. I'm not worried about it being dirty. I'm worried about it being waxy.
Let me see your channel links for a second.
This is
What?
loose as can be. So I'm just gonna
Oh, geez,
make
really?
a new connection there.
Was it on the top of the
Yeah.
top of the valve? TNT doesn't want to thread it. Probably should have not. Hold on a second. Let me just play around with this thing here. Oh yeah, we can both fit in here. I really did myself in here. Shit, I got ahead of myself. Oh, I got it. Oh, there's absolutely no room in here.
Whoever did the gas line, everything seems so loose.
Pass me those 290s down there so I can get these.
Look at that. It's loose down there.
Oh, it's not working. Oh, I forgot copper.
I should have a stick right there. Did you have to come out here on the weekend?
No. No, then we just spoke over the phone.
slide this out of the way.
What?
So I'll slide this out of the way. Maybe a little more.
Right on top of you.
Bleed it.
Yeah, you're gonna smell a little gas. Okay. You're just gonna smell a little. We're just bleeding water. We gotta cut that Fluke pipe down.
Okay, I'll grab some.
Looks a little better. Not optimal, but tighten, 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 tighten. What am I doing with those channel locks? Mike, you got your chains? Channel locks? What? Channel locks?
Oh yeah, I took them. Sorry.
I just need one.
My rubber snuffs have disappeared, so I have to get a new pair. But I have greens.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's get this flue done. Well, that was a quick water heater install. Just had to pump it out and get it fitted up. It was exact 18-inch to 18-inch, not a big deal. But she wanted me to look at the furnace after that, and the furnace was cracked. So she's going with a new furnace, new air, and we'll get it in next week. So that's it for this one. I just got home, so you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.